Take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, defogger, rear window electric, GVWR, 7,000 pounds 3175 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, transmission, 6-speed automatic, wheels, 418 x 845.7 cm x 20.3 cm aluminum, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65 R18 on off-road, white. Outline letter, license plate bracket, front and the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.